Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the document and locking in page parameters so formatting stays predictable. First, pick blank or a template that fits your purpose. This decides styles and spacing. Once done, set margins, orientation, and paper size so headers and footers align correctly. Make sure to save right away with Ctrl+S and select a clear folder structure. Enable Auto Recover to prevent loss. This gives you automatic backups every few minutes and reduces stress while you work. You now build structure and apply styles so your document is navigable and consistent. Use heading styles for hierarchy. They power the navigation pane and table of contents. When you need different layouts, insert section breaks rather than repeatedly hitting Enter. That separates headers, footers, and columns cleanly. Add images with captions and anchor text boxes to maintain positioning as text reflows. If needed, lock layout options so elements don't shift. These steps keep editing predictable and reduce later cleanup. You finish by polishing and securing the file for sharing. Run read aloud and track changes to catch errors and review edits. Accept or reject before the final save. Export to PDF to preserve layout, check page breaks, hyperlinks, and embedded fonts so recipients see the same document. If something breaks, show formatting marks to reveal hidden returns and section breaks, then correct style overrides or reapply the desired style. This troubleshooting step resolves most layout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.